Hello YouTube. Now I will show you how to do this search thing in Microsoft Access. First, you need to click the table you want to create a search. Next is go to create and more forms. Split form. Click the split form. As you can see, there are two things here. The one is this one that will display your data by a single form, and this is your data sheets that looks like a subform. Next is go to design view. Make it smaller, it's taking up so much space. Now go to design. In design, find the text box. Then create a box that you like. And delete this thing that you don't need. Now, I want to rename it as a text search. Now, create an button. Command button wizard. Just cancel it and rename it as search. Click the search and right click on it. Go to build event. Click the macro builder. Here you can choose so many things, but right now we're using apply filter. We're only typing in where condition. First, you're gonna type what fields you want to search. Right now, I want the last name. Then type like and open it like this and close it too. It's like an open and cross parenthesis. Then in the middle of it, inside of it, type forms with S exclamation point and the one your me, the employee forms. So click the employee, no, just enter and exclamation point. Now the text search that we made earlier. Now save it and close. As you can see, you can type here and click search. There is no da, so no one's come out. Oh, there is no cinco. Yeah. Thank you for watching. As you can see, we have a search box here. That's all.